Hey, I'm Kelsey, creator of the InDesign Field Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink to a website in Adobe InDesign. Let's go! One great thing about designing PDFs in Adobe InDesign is that you can add direct links to websites that are clickable right from your finished PDF. So shameless plug here, learn more about Adobe InDesign at www.theindesignfieldguide.com. We're going to use this as an example to show you how to turn this into a clickable hyperlink for a PDF. So first we're going to highlight the text that we want to turn into a clickable link. So I'll highlight the website and I'll go to Type, Hyperlinks, and New Hyperlink. So up here you can actually link to a variety of different things. We're going to keep it on URL to make it a clickable website link. You can also open a file, open a blank email, or even jump to a different page within your document. So that one works great for a clickable table of contents. We're going to stick with the URL for this video. So it pulled in the website, it recognized that it's already a URL, so it pulled that in for me automatically. Thanks, InDesign. For character style, I've created a style called Hyperlink Pink. So the default is to have it the same style as the rest of your text, which you can see here, but I'm going to use my Hyperlink Pink so you can see the difference. And for the PDF appearance, this basically, if you want, can add a box around your link with different settings for changing how that box looks. I don't usually recommend doing this. I don't think it looks very clean, and a character style looks much cleaner while still setting it apart to show that it's a link. So I always click Invisible Rectangle here. We'll click OK, and we'll see here that our link now is a different text style, and hopefully let's find out if it's clickable. Let's go to File, Export. We're going to save our PDF as a PDF interactive, so make sure the interactive one is checked. We'll click Save, and in the export window, just make sure that under Options, Forms and Media, Include All is checked. I've also checked to view the PDF after exporting so we can test it. We'll click Export, and let's see if it worked. There we go. So that's it. That's how you add a clickable link to an interactive PDF from Adobe InDesign.
If you want more Adobe InDesign training, watch my free workshop where I break down the most popular design apps and programs and show you when it's best to use each one. Psst, you can do way more with InDesign than you probably realize. Plus, I'll walk through exactly how to design a PDF worksheet and promo graphic from start to finish using only InDesign. Click that first link in the description below to watch the free workshop right now. Go ahead, click it. You know you want to.